We're going to be installing Rona hallway closet. Let's take it apart and let's get her on. So what you're going to want to know is we don't need to machine the latch, the strike plate. See, it comes like this, but we're going to use this. So much easier. I'll show you how it works. You go in here and you just pop it apart. Take these, it comes apart like that. This comes off the top. This slides off of here. Take this piece, line it up on here, push it on. There you go. And I'll show you. You see the door over here? This, you line it up. Get a little closer so you can see. You line it up in here, give it a tap with your hammer, and it's in place. And then take these two, slide it in here. There. Goes on here. Put your two screws in and your door handle's on. Well, there you have it. Two screws are in here. Works good. All we have to do now, put the strike plate on. Well, let's get this installed now. Well, as you can see, these corners are round and this plate is square. It won't fit, so we're gonna have to mark the corners, cut them out so this fits in nicely. There you go. Got the corners cut out nicely. Let's put the strike plate on. There we go. Strike plate's on. Let's check and see how the door closes, how the hardware works. Well, there you go. We just installed a door handle. We had to machine the hole using the DeWalt jig. Hopefully that helps you on your project. Don't forget to like and subscribe.